Peace and love, Supreme Soul family. Welcome back to the True Exquisite Allure Experience. Want to share this neat commission with you. Adding a Virgo symbol inside of the moon with the vulture, representing another set of the Egyptian zodiac of Virgo. So this is the commission piece. Watch it build, family. I started with a blacked out canvas, taped off where the bird would be, and then added the moon details. Then I peeled off the tape, went in, added the details of the wings and etc. And after a few more coats around the moon, I added the Virgo symbol in as well. Here's how it looks when I finished painting. Then I went in and added the star details around and added the glitter for a nice finishing astral touch, family. Check out this cool video clip. This piece is also imbued with sacral healing energy as well, so it will serve as a meditative activation piece, a healing piece, family. Thank you so much, Sister Coppertone, for this beautiful piece. Family, be sure to hit me up, TrueExquisiteAllure.com, True Exquisite Allure Co. on Facebook, and I want to thank you for tuning in.